This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Cpm2 with the project open and the rim object selected. Make an immediate backup of texture maps so you can revert if needed. Once done, import or place your color overlay images into the asset browser and ensure their resolution and UV alignment match the rim model. This prevents bleeding and stretching. Make sure layer blending modes are visible and that you've enabled texture preview. These preparatory steps stop common mistakes before you apply any permanent changes. You now create an adjustment layer and position it above the rim's base texture so color edits affect only that surface. Next, use the polygon or brush mask to precisely isolate spokes, lip, and hub, feathering 1 to 3 pixels to avoid hard seams. This controls the transition between painted and original material. Then select a blending mode, like multiply or overlay, and dial opacity, until the hue and reflectivity read naturally under the model's lighting. You finish by exporting or baking the modified rim texture back into the project's material slot, so shaders pick up the change consistently. Make sure file names and paths match the material references. Once exported, preview the rim under several lighting presets and camera angles to confirm color, gloss, and edge behavior. If you see banding, seams, or wrong alpha, revert to the backup, disable recent layers, and reapply the mask step by step to isolate and correct the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.